Hey guys, what's up? This Michael BMX right here. I'm going to do my bike track. Start point. I got my DK stem, matte black color. This is DK signature. I'm at. It's my demolition bars. I'm gonna do bars, chrome because my dent to scratch. And then I got all that, neck grips, all that Barton, and then I got DK Works with Colony Wim 17 millimeter bolt, and then I got Colony Hub. I don't know extra name tire, but I will. I'll get new tires because my worn out. And then I got DK signature frame, 20-inch frame. I got I I can't remember name of crank. So yeah, I got DK blue paddles. Background I got stolen rampage background, and actually don't know name of hub, so it's cassette. Tires I got demolition tires. I got almost a year because my lasts longer, but I don't know if it's run out something. I got subrosa pedal seat, and I can't remember pedal seat, and my DKC clamps. And I got DK sprocket, some crank other side, I don't know. DK paddles, I need new paddles. I might get RC pieces paddle or Primo, not Primo, Primo, paddles, Colony, like, or slick, but it's made plastic. I got a KMC heavy duty chain. And where's my, I don't reason I know why pegs. I do like pegs, but I need a new peg because my other one don't fit my back rim because it's actually 17 millimeter, the axle. And I think I said, I think don't miss anything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make more video. And see you later.